Hi, my name's Olive, and today we're making tropical icy pops.
Yes, we are. We're making tropical icy pops, and these are so much better than the ice cream that's out there. You won't feel bad giving these to your children. They're easy. Want to make them? Okay, let's start. What's first?
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup. Is this your favourite?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you hold this? It's half a teaspoon here, but we're putting a teaspoon in, so we're going to do it twice. Okay, go. Ooh. Oh, guess what you get to do with that? Actually, wait before you do that, before you lick it. We're going to put half a teaspoon of vanilla essence or extract. Do you want to put that in there? Woo! Okay, you can lick that now.
Ew.
Ooh, it's not as nice, is it, with the extract? That's strong. Mummy got you. What's this?
Pineapple.
Pineapple, and I'm just using 1.5 cups of pineapple. I'm using canned pineapple, but you could just use fresh pineapple. That's 1.5 cups of pineapple and 1 chopped fresh banana, just roughly chopped in your blender. 1 cup of coconut cream. This is what's going to give it that creamy flavour. Yum. And it's going to make it tropical as well, because all I can think of is pineapple and coconut milk or cream, and I think of the tropics. Okay, you ready? So should we blend it? That's it.
Me help you.
Okay, you can help me. Hold on. Just a second. Don't put it on yet, because it's going to go everywhere. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Switch that one. All right. Put it as far as you can. All the way. Okay, and you just blend it until it's smooth, no matter how long that takes. How about we put it in the mould first, and then you get to open one, okay? And then you can get to have it and tell everyone if you think it's delicious, okay? So pour it into the mould. Oh, let's put it in front of there so they can see. Can you see that? Nice and smooth. Okay, whoa, too much. Okay, then you put the lid on. If you don't have these little moulds, you can actually just use a bread pan, and then you can just put some baking paper in it, pour this on top, and throw some dipsticks or something in there. Oh, they're hard, aren't they?
No, I have one.
Oh, you opened it. Well, this is what they're supposed to look like. I'm going to open one too. Is it delicious? Mmm. Great for summer.